1. What is a brain transplant? A brain transplant means removing a person's brain and placing it into another person's body. In that case, the mind, the thinking person, would move into a new body. So, if greater than brain A arrow body B, then mentally, the person would still be A, but physically, they would look like B. 2. Is it scientifically possible? Right now, a complete human brain transplant is not possible. Here's why. The brain is connected to the spinal cord by millions of fragile neurons and nerves. If separated, those nerves break instantly. Without blood flow, the brain dies within minutes. Scientists have tried similar experiments on animals, like monkeys and mice, but none survived more than a few hours or days. So as of today, a brain transplant is only theoretical, not a reality. 3. What if it were possible someday? If in the future science could truly connect a brain to a new body, here's what might happen. 1. Memory and personality. The new body, but the old brain, means thoughts, memories, habits, and emotions would remain the same. The person would still think and feel like their old self, even though they have a different body. 2. Body recognition. When they look in the mirror, they would not recognize themselves. The brain would need time to adjust to new limbs, voice, heart rate, and senses. It would feel strange, like living inside a stranger's body. 3. Spiritual and religious questions. This raises a deep question. Does the soul go with the brain, or does it stay with the body? According to Islamic and many religious beliefs, the soul, ruh, belongs to the body, not the brain. So even if you transplant a brain, the soul does not move. That means the person remains the one whose body it is, not the one whose brain it was. 4. Ethical and legal challenges. If brain transplants became real, society would face huge moral and legal problems. Who is the real person, the brain or the body? What about identity, marriage, inheritance, or citizenship? Could rich people buy young bodies to live longer? Would it be considered murder or rebirth? 5. Real experiments. So far, a neurosurgeon named Dr. Sergio Canavero once claimed he was preparing for a human head transplant. In 2017, he and his team performed it on a dead human body in China, but it was never successful on a living person. So for now, it's still a theory, not real. 6. What if it really happened in the future? If one day science makes it possible, people could live longer by moving their brains into younger bodies. The elderly could renew themselves, but it would completely change the meaning of identity, soul, and humanity. Summary aspect. Result: scientific, not possible yet. Mental old thoughts and memories remain, physical new body and appearance. Spiritual: the soul stays with the body. Ethical: very complex and controversial.